Congratulations to Mr. Vijay, the leader of the TVK, winning the election mandate with 34.98%, has voted with the trust and faith in Mr. Vijay to be the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, to rule the government of Tamil Nadu over 5 years, the full term, the assembly, in a successful way for the whole period of 5 years. I congratulate for having performed excellently well in the election and chased up in establishing his will, potential, power with the energy and all whatever needed in the blessings of God to achieve his goal to be the Chief Minister, and the swearing is now proposed to be held on the Sunday in the afternoon at Chennai. I congratulate personally Mr. Vijay, the leader of the TVK party in Tamil Nadu, for winning the mandate of the public, as voted to power to be the Chief Minister from all sections, all spheres of activities of life in Tamil Nadu, having a trust and faith to run the government pleasantly without any allegations, corruptions and undue debating in the assembly, and made a landslide victory, destabilizing the Dravida Kazhagam, DMK and ADMK, who were running over 6 decades, changing to each other without giving away for any other, over 6 decades. And Mr. Vijay, as the leader of the TVK, has made and paved a new way for the third to enter and rule the government of Karnataka, like Tamil Nadu, Andhra, Kerala and any other states in India. In Tamil Nadu, Mr. Vijay, the leader of the TVK, has made a new way and paved a way for the third party to rule in Tamil Nadu. I congratulate once again personally to Mr. Vijay, the leader of the TVK, for his election mandate, winning with 34.98% to rule the government of Tamil Nadu as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. May God shower on him, may God bless him to run the government excellently well for the whole term of 5 years as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu. I dedicate this song to Mr. Vijay, the leader of the TVK. Congratulations! I personally congratulate Mr. Vijay, the leader of the TVK party, to be the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, getting swearing in on Sunday in the afternoon, to run the government peacefully, happily, 5 years fully. அப்படி போடு 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 அசத்தி போடு தன்னாலே, இப்படி போடு 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 இழுத்து போடு கையாலே. அப்படி போடு 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 அசத்தி போடு கண்ணாலே, இப்படி போடு 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 இழுத்து போடு கையாலே. I congratulate Mr. Vijay, the leader of the TVK party, to be the Chief Minister to run the government of Tamil Nadu 5 years, the full term, with a pleasant surprise, serving all sections of the people, fulfilling the desires of the people of Tamil Nadu as they voted with faith and trust. என் உசுரில் நீ துடிக்கிறியே, அழகி என் வயசுல நீ படுத்துறியே, என் மெதுவா என் கழுத்துல நீ மணக்கிறியே, இது அதுதானா? உன்னோட கன்னத்திலே ககா கடி நான் கடிக்க, என்னோட காது பக்கம் சல்ல கடி நீ கடிக்க, இந்த வயசு போதுமா, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா? இந்த வயசு போதுமா, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா? இந்த வயசு போதுமா, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா? Congratulations to Mr. Vijay. After marathon efforts to fulfill and achieve the goal to be the Chief Minister, removing all impediments and setbacks created artificially, unnecessarily, unduly, and fulfilled his desire to be the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu and getting swearing in on Sunday in the afternoon. May God shower on him, may God bless him to run the government of Tamil Nadu peacefully for 5 years. திக்க வைக்கிற திணற வைக்கிறையே, நீ மெதுவா விக்க வைக்கிற வேக்க வைக்கிறையே, நீ என்னதான் வத்த வைக்கிற வதங்க வைக்கிறையே, இது சரிதானா? ஒத்த பார்வை நெஞ்சுக்குள்ளே ஊசி நூலும் கொக்குதடி, தெத்த பல்லு சிரிப்பில் எல்லாம் 10 நிலவும் தெரிக்குதடி. இந்த ஆட்டம் போதுமா, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா? இந்த ஆட்டம் போதுமா, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா? ஹேய், அப்படி போடு போடு போடு, அசத்தி போடு கண்ணாலே, இப்படி போடு போடு போடு, இழுத்து போடு கையாலே. இந்த நட போதுமா, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா? இந்த நட போதுமா, இன்னும் கொஞ்சம் வேணுமா? May God shower on Mr. Vijay to run the government of Tamil Nadu peacefully for the next 5 years. May God shower on him all potential power, energy to run the government of Tamil Nadu successfully for the next 5 years in Tamil Nadu as the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, to fulfill all the wishes of the voters of Tamil Nadu who have voted to power with faith and trust to run the government peacefully.